Hey, so what's going on, everyone? Got an unboxing video here to share with all of you. This is the 2019 Samsung 15-watt fast charger 2.0 wireless charger stand. This one will actually charge at up to 15 watts. At least I know it's compatible with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus at up to 15 watts. And on the back here, it has different devices for different wattages. It looks like if you go back in the years, like if you have an older device, like a Galaxy S6 or S6 Edge or an iPhone 8 or older or something, you may only get 5 watts to 7.5 watts of charging. So that's something you want to take a look at on Samsung's website. You can go there and look at the detailed specs on this and if it's completely compatible with your device. So this is fast wireless charging. It has fan cooling, and we already had one of these out of the box. You can't even hear the fan on the back. It's so quiet. It's QI compatible, shows, certain devices here, and fan and LED light control. You can power on and off using your Galaxy phone, which is kind of neat. And you can use portrait or landscape charging, depending on how you want to put your device in there. There's just a look at the box and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box. So here's everything that came inside the box. Here's just a quick look at the charger. Has the Samsung logo on there. It's nice and smooth. Got a little rubbery surface on the bottom there. And LED light right here somewhere on the front. Right here's the back where you're going to plug in your Type-C cable. And then I believe there is a light right here for to show up red when it's charging, which I'll show you, and it goes green when it's fully charged. Then you get a 3-foot Type-C cable, and that just plugs into this adapter. And this adapter is pretty much the same as the adapter that comes with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Not the 45-watt charging, but I think that's a 25-watt charger. So it's pretty much identical to that. And you just get your quick start guide, which I will not be needing. Okay, so I went ahead and I plugged this in. What I want to do is power this thing up, and so you guys can see the LED lights here in the front. So you should see LED lights there is like yellow and whatever else color it went to, but it went through a little series of lights there. Now let's go ahead and slap this phone on there, see what it does. So right away it instantly recognizes fast charging, wireless, at 94%, 12 minutes until full. Now what I want to do is show you guys, let's try it this way real quick, see what it does. Comes right on. It says fast charging. I don't know if everybody's device is going to show fast charging. This is a capable, capable phone of doing that. So there you can see you're going to get a red light until the device is fully charged. So I have a phone case on this phone already, so it works perfectly fine through the phone case. And for some of you, you might have one of those poppers on there. A lot of people have poppers on there, stuck right on their phone cases. I don't really know. We did try one with a popper in vertical mode, and it did work with the popper, because what happens is the phone sits off. You're going to have a gap. If you have a popper on there, it's going to be off. So if you can get it to work, I know it will work, but you may not get it working in your horizontal mode. So here's the iPhone XS Max. I'm going to pop that on there. It comes up and says 100% charge. So yeah, it shows up the light right there. It is showing up that it has the lightning bolt in there, so it is working. So let's try this in horizontal mode, and yes, it's recognizing it. It's coming up, the lightning bolt's there, it is charging, so it will work. Now this phone I don't have a case on, but it seems to work just fine. The iPhone 11, all the different iPhone 11 versions, the Pro Max stuff, it should work just fine. One thing I want to do real quick is I'm going to plug, let's try this again, we're going to put the phone on there like this, and then what I want to do is see where, okay, we're at 94% fast charging, wireless, 94%, 13 minutes until full. I'm gonna take it off the wireless charger and plug it into the wall charger that came with the phone and see what we get. 94, 13 minutes until full. So that's pretty good. Basically the same as the wireless charger. So that's really all I had for you. Just a quick little review, a little look at this charger. Very nice little charger. Compatible with several devices with the phone cases on. I'm going to put a link down in the description to Amazon, of course, for this charger. And I think if you go buy this charger, I think you'll be very happy with it. These would make perfect Christmas gift gadgets. So on the back real quick is where the fan, there's a fan in here that runs, and you cannot even hear it. Anyway, that's pretty much all I had for you. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.